Hello everyone, let's take a look at the market on 1st of July. Alright, that's Monday 1st of July, Euro Dollar. Obviously we have a trend going down. Last week I said that we'd come to do goodbye kiss and we'll just nail it down, and the market went flying down. We're going to do the same thing again today. Alright, so resistance area, that's the first one, 30.86. Sorry, this is the first one, sorry, 30.55, 30.60 area, and this is the second one. Alright, you want to be safe, sell on the second one. Also, if you're using the manual trading system, what you're going to see here is your weekly pivot, your GAN line, and your target line 30.70. So from the GAN line, from 30.70, you can nail this down. Let me get rid of this. This is, as you know, was last week's. I put the price down here. Let's just say Control D. Let's get rid of that. Okay, because we had a sell order at 31 level, and it just went flying down. So what we want to do is make sure it pops its head up again, and then we'll see where we can take it. So about 30.70, 30.80 area is going to be the spot. That is the place where we'll want to sell. Pound dollar, same kind of scenario here. It's obviously the resistance line. The market wants to sell this down as well. A good spot to sell would be your yellow line or the red target lines here. If the market was to fall below this white line here, which is the opening pivot, you got room to go down. It's just going to be a bit choppy down there. Okay, if you look at the past as well, all right, this area, okay, is a bit choppy. All right, so what we want to do is come to a clear level where the market's a bit more clear by, which is this level here, and on this white line which I drew last week, or this red line that the system automatically drew today. Alright, there you go. Dollar yen, a sell reaction is what we're expecting around here today, and if it does raise its head up to the 100 level, that is the place where you really want to give it a good shot at selling. It's a trend up, and we do want to follow that trend up. However, what we want to do is play the retracement as well. So when it gets to the 100 level, give it a shot. Don't take a big position, make it a small position, and from there on you can just play the retracement, let it come back to the yellow line, take your profit, and we'll see how we go. Because our timing indicator is down, we obviously want to keep buying as the market comes back. Dollar franc's going to have the same kind of mentality that we've got here. I'd like to buy it at the pivot line here, or last week's support. This 94.10 area here is a good spot to buy when it comes back down, if it does come back. If it doesn't and it goes breaking up, then on the goodbye kiss you must go long here. Alright, just like we did last week with the dollar yen. Remember, with the dollar yen I said if it breaks up, wait for the goodbye kiss. See, it comes back for the goodbye kiss and the market picks up. Same thing, no big drama. Breaks up, comes back, you go long. There's your targets there. Let's take a look at the gold today. Now the gold, obviously I'd like to sell the gold. And I think, in my opinion, today there's only two places. One is going to be right here on the scan line, which is pretty much where it is now, and the second one's going to be this 1281.25 here. Alright, so a good spot to sell is here and here, and that's how we can go about doing it. Now normally what we do is we did draw a few lines from arrow to arrow, which is like inside the channel, which gives us some kind of a parallel. And if you look at that, okay, alright, let's make it a bit closer. If you look at that, and it's pretty much, see from the arrow here, alright, bottom arrow to this arrow, and you see that the market breaks down, comes back for that goodbye kiss before it sends it back down again, and that's generally close to the 50 level, okay, 50% level. Now generally what that will be is it'll be like a Fibonacci level. Okay, if I take from the top to the bottom, alright, you can see that that's close to the 50, 61.8 area around there, which also matches our lines there. So in short, gold good to sell here and a bit higher at this level here. Alright, so have a good week, enjoy your trading.